are full of the festive spirit today because we're at Icon Park.
And I've got a bow growing out of my head.
We're going to see an awful lot today. There's a huge amount of Christmas and holiday events.
And Santa. Just to start with, here's the festive fun of the Pearl Express. What fillings?
Here's the next element on the Icon Park Christmas Parade. This is the Museum of Illusions and Elves Off the Shelf. Hello! You are an elf and you're off the shelf.
Oh yes, I'm Jingles. Nice to meet you.
So what's going on here at the Museum of Illusions?
Okay, so over in here there's a bunch of like optical illusions, so you can look at them with your eyes and kind of figure out what's going on. And then in here there's a bunch of illusions that you get to be a part of. So like over here, if someone like lays on the beam or lays on the floor, it looks like you're upside down.
I see, yes.
And this one is exclusive to Orlando, so each one is different. Well, in the Infinity Room, you're trapped, not trapped, but you're in the center of a whole bunch of mirrors. And so what they do is they reflect off of each other from every angle, and so no matter where you look, you're seeing yourself everywhere. It's
Clever.
pretty cool in there.
And how long are you elves here at Museum of Illusions?
Well, today we're just here for a few days, but for the rest of December, every Friday up until Christmas, you'll see a couple of us here.
Next, we are going to spend Christmas with the stars here at Madame Tussauds Orlando.
You shouldn't miss a chance to ride on the classic carousel.
Then there's Sea Life Orlando, where you need to be on the lookout for scuba claws.
The big attraction, of course, is a ride on the 400-foot observation wheel with fabulous views in every direction.
Saving the best for last, our absolute favorite this year is the wonderful Santa's Workshop experience, featuring a personalized meeting with Saint Nick himself.
We have his elf painting here. And in the evening, all the candles light up. It's a little bright in the day for it. And then only when they walk around the corner is the big reveal, and there he is waiting for them. So we make sure that each group is gone, so when they walk around the corner, he's sitting right there waiting for them.
Wonderful. Very well done. And that's just a snapshot of Icon Park for the holidays. check out their website for more details.
Happy holidays!